Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Camon 18, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, and somewhere in here we should see power saving mode. Now we do have ultra power, so that's one of them. Not really the one that we probably are looking for. So I'm gonna see if there is one more, but I don't see any others. So it looks like it only shows us this single one. Now I'll hold it, and in the settings it looks like this is the only mode right here, so ultra power saver. When we enable it, it will, well, as you can see, turn the brightness way the heck down, and also remove color from the screen and only keep it right here. And obviously the limitations here are just kind of like removed. So yeah, we can't even open these apps, so it allows us to use only these three apps, which is phone, messages, and calendar. And obviously you can quit it. Now this mode obviously is designed just to strictly preserve as much of your battery as it possibly can. That's why this is so weird. Now obviously to quit this, simply select quit, and it will bring you back the actual like normal power or normal usability of the device. So there we go, that's basically the only power saving mode you'll find here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.